Welcome to Foglight Video Solutions. This video provides an overview of the host's dashboard. My name is John Sakalauskas, and I'm a technical product specialist for the Foglight product. Use the host dashboard to monitor for problems in your environment if you are responsible for the availability of a set of hosts and prefer to think in terms of systems. The host dashboard provides the best high-level summary of host state and performance, including alarms, CPU, memory, disk, network utilization, if a host is being monitored, and impacted services. Drill down from this dashboard to different dashboards and views that provide more detail about your hosts. You can use this dashboard to see if a host state has an impact on services and view the health history of each host. Let's begin by logging into the Foglight console. Select the expert navigation menus if it's not already been selected. Navigate to Infrastructure, Hosts, Hosts. Since we have no further need for the side panels at this time, we'll close the side panel to give us a full view of the dashboard contents. The host dashboard allows you to filter which hosts are displayed in this view. You can view monitor hosts only, which is all of the hosts for which Quest Foglight collects CPU and memory metrics and are listed in the table, unmonitored hosts, or view all the hosts in your environment. Let's review the columns in the table. This system we're reviewing has several active hosts. The first column contains an icon showing the aggregated state of the host. The icons in the type column allow you to see at a glance what kind of host you're monitoring. Physical hosts are identified by a server icon. VMware, Images, and ESX servers have their own icons. Each icon displays the state embedded on top. For example, a physical host in a normal state has a green circle in the icon. Click on the name to drill down on the host monitor page. This view shows you important host properties. Observe this page has clickable areas as well as there are pop-ups associated with some items. Let's return to the top level by clicking on the breadcrumb trail and then take a look at the remaining columns. Investigate host alarms to get more details about the problems contributing to its non-normal state. In the row for the host, click the icon that represents the warning, critical, or fatal alarms to display an alarm list filtered to show only the warning, critical, or fatal alarms for the host. If we hover over an entry in the CPU column, a pop-up appears showing a CPU utilization chart. Hover over the CPU percentage, you'll notice the same information displayed. You can drill down to a CPU details page that shows 4 charts and a table of the top CPU consumers. Let's return to the host table and look at the memory column. Hover over the current memory utilization percentage and you'll see a chart of memory utilization over time. Click down on the numeral utilization to drill down to a page that shows charts of the overall memory utilization, and separate charts for the amount of memory the top processes are consuming. We'll now return to the host table page. Notice the number of entries in the table list are not applicable. This value indicates that an agent has not been set up to collect that particular type of data. The disk column shows file system utilization. Hover over an entry here to see a chart of the file system utilization. Click on the percentage number to drill down to the disk I/O data that you can see in the charts for the disk space and for bytes read and written. Now let's move to the network column. Pop-ups show a chart of network utilization. Clicking on a percentage value launches the network details page. The charts on this page show the activity of your network connections. For more information about hosts, please refer to the user guide in our online documentation. To learn more about Foglight for databases, visit our support site at support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us at Quest Experts on Twitter.